Welcome back, everybody, to our news time. Yes, today, now about Desmond Elliot, aka Desmond Idiot. Now, the man when we will talk about today. A lot of people don't know who Desmond Elliot be. For those of you when don't know who him be, in actor come politician from Yoruba origin. But you see, this kind of people, now the people when be the problem when we get in Nigeria. The man when be Desmond Elliot don't come out, come blast Nigerian youth. See why then go they protest? Why then go they loot? Why then they behave like children? Make una not forget, say not be only children when the APC real criminals that they call the Nigerian youth. After the Nigerian youth don't show them example of waiting them go feed do, and una when be politicians, una no go ever escape them, because that same thing one I don't see before, it will come to continue to repeat. This is just the beginning. Serious warning to APC and PDP criminal politicians. Remember, see, some group they call Nigerian youth hoodlums. Some they call them children. Now, before that they say they're lazy. Now they don't wake up. Okay? The people when be saying that them be the hoodlums, the senators, the ministers, the governors, the president himself. I say Nigerian government, APC and PDP, now them be the hoodlums. Now on the thief billions and trillions. Now on the loot billions, even zillions out from our treasury. So now on be the hoodlums. With those ones, those people when we see, then they go inside market, they disturb our market women. Now them be the hoodlums, not be the hungry youth when we say they don't prepare. It don't take when our youth they suffer. Now they are ready to confront APC and PDP gangsters. This one are just the beginning, ladies and gentlemen. Because what is about to come in that country, Buhari wanna say 9 days inside Aso Rock. He no go fit stand the tsunami of protests when Ingo continue to the sea across the country. Not be in eye, Ingo take run, leave that position when in there. Even APC and PDP, including this Desmond Elliot, aka Desmond Idiot. Not be on our eye, one owner go take leave that power for the youth alone. I just pity Desmond. They come out, they blast youth when he say then they hungry. Hungry they their belly. Una forget say the way when rich man they behave, not be so poor man they behave. And I know say if rich man verse, the rich man vaccination it they different. If poor man verse, not different vaccination. So the poor people, the people when una they oppress, when una they intimidate, they don't already say enough is enough. And this is just the beginning. Mark my word, APC and PDP people. So before we go further into this our analysis, go listen to what Desmond Idiot they tell the Nigerian youth and everybody. And now they can tell us say in non-con apologize. Your apology is not accepted. Your own apology is not accepted. APC and PDP apology, if at all, then apologize. It's not going to be in anywhere accepted. Because we are ready to confront these people when be our betrayers, the APC and PDP people. All right? So make we see wetin Desmond Elliot tell the people when they protest. Nigerians chastise Desmond Elliot for criticizing NSAS protesters on social media. Ladies and gentlemen, this social media na our power. This power now will take chase APC and PDP with their long broom and their umbrella out from that seat where they sit down, where they feel say they no go ever come down one day. If una not come down by choice, una will come down by force. Una will be APC and PDP people. Una never know what will happen. Now, we don't succeed to expose the criminal government, the criminal APC and PDP. Now, Nigerian people I don't already open well. So, me, when be Funky D, are they very, very, very happy to be part of the people when they educate the Nigerian people? As in the bad things and the oppressions and deceits from APC and PDP criminals. So I'm very, very happy with everything when they happen. That is why we continue to support the protesters, whether na day, whether na night, whether na in the morning time. We will continue to support the protesters. No going back, ladies and gentlemen. This is the only time. Remember, I don't tell you before say if una miss am, we no go fit get this kind of opportunity again. The devil is at work. So we no go allow APC or PDP or their supporters to come distract us from the protests when the good people of Nigeria don't already organize and they don't already start the protest. We are not going back. And so forward, we go the march. Now deceive that they deceive us. Now, like I said before, the whole world knows see our president na impostor. Everybody know. This NSAS matter go turn to end Buhari at the end of the day and their APC wicked people. So make we listen to what happened between Desmond Elliot and the Nigerian good people. Nigerians are unhappy with actor turned politician Desmond Elliot's comment following the NSAS protest. In a new viral video, the actor is heard calling out the youth and children for raining insult on politicians after the Nigerian police allegedly opened fire on protesters in Lekki. Now, Desmond Elliot, they call the protesters children. See them, they rain insult on politicians. Who be that politician? Who be that politician, Desmond Elliot? Where are you guys practicing democracy in Nigeria? Where in that country? Even the election, when I tell us, say, oh, na win election, na fake, na fraud. So, who be that politician when Desmond Elliot want make with the respect? Nigerian youth no go respect una again. Like I said, now war na una day with the youth, because the youth don't understand, say, yeah, these people, then they do anyhow to us. Not be so. The system supposed to work for us. Now they don't stand up. There's more earlier they call they say they be children. The palliative, when people contribute from different parts of the world, can't give Nigerian people. This same sick and criminal APC and PDP, then go hide this palliative. Why? Now, the people won't get the palliative, they can't collect their palliative. So why una the quarrel? Why una the vex? Why una can't they call and say them be hoodlums? Because they be poor people. The way when una put them, that now the way where them they. The oppression, when una they oppress them, now he make them they the way where they. They not be hoodlums. These are people seeking for freedom, seeking for peace, seeking for an answer to Buhari's failure, seeking to know who be that person when they inside Aso Rock. Desmond Elliot. These people, when be the protesters, they are the good people, the good citizen of Nigeria. Why Una, when they on top power, think you say Una will come down one day? Na Una be the hoodlums. Na Una be the criminals. Na Una be the thieves. Na Una be the corrupt public officers. Desmond continued. According to him, he was distressed to read comments and see people show such grave hatred towards their leaders. We don't have leader in Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen. When I went through comments, I couldn't believe it. Causes, the abuses from children, and I asked myself, is this Nigeria? So remember, say, get one video when somebody put in YouTube, when we see Desmond Elliot, they talk, say, 4 or 5 years time, Nigeria no go be one country again. Nigeria no go, nobody go recognize Nigeria again, and Nigeria no go, Nigeria go disintegrate and things like that. Now the thing when would they pray for be that Desmond Elliot, if you don't know, make you know unto them. It be like say somebody like Desmond Elliot, they are asleep. It be like say the man they sleep all this while when we they preach. Peaceful protesters, army, then go there. Some say na Tinubu, send them. Some say na Sanwo-Olu, send them. Some say na Buhari, send them. Now only God know who send these people to go kill innocent protesters. Desmond Elliot, the man not even condemn the killings. In the support, of course, he go support APC people. He go support the impostor. He go support Jagaban. Of course, he go support this guy when be Sanwo-Olu. So now the youth when made, because now the youth made Desmond Elliot, even that position when in day today, now still the same youth. Now them make the man today. Instead of him to support them back, in the support killers. Now him be say, Desmond Elliot, now the same thing all of una be. So it is very, very sad. That is why I say Desmond apology. Nobody they take your apology. Nobody they accept your apology. After this curfew, where they don't, call for, I mean APC people. The people, when they do protest, will continue to they do their protest. All right? Because at the end of the day, the reason why people come out now, when they protest, for, they not answer them. Instead of them to answer, or to give them a reasonable answer, not to go rain bullets on top innocent citizens. I see no reason why anyone in that country, anybody in that country will respect or show a sign of respect to these APC and PDP criminals. We don't tell them APC and PDP, now them be our problem. Even though say PDP, they do like say that they support people. Now lie, now why you people? So there is no 2023. Funky D worldwide don't tell all of them before. And all the whole world is saying say if they play out, they come. I wonder how they won't take via this their 2023. In fact, yesterday now they see some northern group don't endorse Arafai, the governor of Kaduna State, as the next Nigerian president to be. So, a lot of problem in that country. I don't know how una won't start to solve all these problems jete by jete. Too many problems. created by this Buhari and Buhari's government, the late one. Too many problems created by these people. I don't know how they want to solve it, like I said before. Igbo people chant say they won't be. Yoruba say they won't be. Oduduwa say they won't go. Nnamdi Kanu and his group, that is IPOB, the Biafran people, say they won't go. Now, the same INEC don't come out last time before this incident when happened, killing of innocent protesters. INEC people don't come out and talk, say they don't give the when they will start their 2023 fake election. Nobody, I repeat, nobody they support any 2023 presidential candidate. Nobody they support any 2023 presidential election. Because Desmond Elliott, they claim, they talk about 5 years time. Funkiri, they tell you, say, before now till next year ending, nowhere again in this world when they're going to call, say, Nigeria. From now till next year ending, that is 2021. Desmond, they talk about 2020. That is why I say whether in the sleep, whether Desmond, they are asleep. I be you know here where Nnamdi Kanu don't tell on us say, nothing will work again on top their head in that country because they don't already see all of una. Say, all of una, na zero. They don't already see, say, the APC and PDP, na big disgrace them be. Wayo people will never feel confirm any of their promise when they make. They don't feel confirm to us, say, oh, this promise we make them before and we don't do it. They don't feel show us nothing. I wonder the Nigerian when people go continue to patch a country like this. When not they bring anything fruitful to each citizen. Instead of bringing fruitful thing to each citizens, they better attack their citizen. They better send their criminal terrorist army, soldier men to kill their citizens. Just for nothing. Desmond Tutu, 5 years where you they talk, it no go fly. It no go ever fly. I don't tell you it and I tell you, mark my word. From now till the ending of 2021, you are not going to see anything that is called one Nigeria anymore. I mean, now people vote on a in there according to our claim. Then, if people say no, we don't want these people again, so they still have the right to chase you out from that position because now them put you there. Come on. Now them put you there. They still have the right to chase you out anytime that it deems them fit. The feet chase you out. Say, no, this man, no, we don't want this kind of people. Out. Somebody like this Desmond. And finally, they tried to with the army. But Ona no go ever succeed. Like I said before, people will continue to troop out after this Ona so-called fake curfew.